Hey everyone, this is a tutorial on how to get the new DocCam working with Google Meet. So I'm logged in on two devices, one on my laptop and one on the desktop. The DocCam is connected to the desktop. I'm also logged in as a student so that we can see their point of view. So in order to get this thing going, what you'll need to do is click Settings under the desktop Google Meet. So make sure you click those three black dots and click Settings. From there, click Video, and under Camera, choose IPEVO V4K. Once you've done that, go ahead and exit out of Settings and turn on the camera. So the DocCam should be working, and let's see what happens when we put text under the camera. So to us, it's inverted, but from a student's point of view, it comes out the correct way. So if you have any questions about this setup, please reach out to your site EdTech. Thanks.